Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create an Oreo biscuit in Blender. So any Blender version above 4 is sufficient. So let me just enable my screencast keys over here, so that every single time if I try to press any kind of shortcut, it is visible on the left hand side bottom corner. So first we have a cube, we'll just delete it, press X, then delete it. Then go to top, add mesh circle, then go to edit mode. Then the next thing which we have to do is just press ES, move it little bit in. Okay, I'll just zoom it a little bit. Then again press ES, move it little bit in, not this much, this much. Again press ES, move it little bit in. Okay, then you have to right click and you have to select, not right click, sorry, I think the option is Command F or Control F. I'm on Mac, and just select grid fill. Once that is selected, you will have to select everything by pressing A. Then you can just right click, subdivide, again right click, subdivide. Then you have to do press E and just move it little bit up. Yeah, this much is fine. Then add a loop cut at the center. So I'll select this loop cut option, I'll add a loop cut at the center. Then I'll press S and I'll just move it a little bit, something like this. Okay, then we have to enable normals. So come over here, select this particular option, select this normals. You again I'll just click on over here, so my loop cut is gone. Then you just have to again select everything. Okay, press option N or alt N, and here you have to click on recalculate outside. Okay, then again come back over here and disable your normals. Once that is done, we need to download an image of Oreo. So you can go to this particular URL, just right click, save image as, and just save it to your downloads folder. But here you can notice the image is in PNG, so we need to convert it to JPEG. So you can come to this particular website or whatever tool you want to use, it's up to you. You just need to convert it to JPEG. So I'll just upload the downloaded file over here and it will convert it to JPEG for me. I will just download this. Okay, so the file has been downloaded. I'll come back to Blender again. Then here you will have to click on UV editing, scroll, go to the open, click on the open button, go to downloads where your JPEG image is downloaded, select your JPEG image. Once you have selected your JPEG image, you will have to go to this edit mode tab which we have, and here you will have to click on Z. Okay, then just make sure, again I have selected everything, it is already selected for me, but if it's not the case for you, just select everything by pressing A. And then you will have to just press the option, press the key U for UV rays, I guess, and here you just have to click on this project from view. So here you can see our circle is available over here as well. So coming back to our UV editing option, just click over here the circle and then again press A, then press S and scale it approximately to the size of our image, so something like this. Once that is done, you can go to layout mode. Then you have to add a modifier called displays. Just go to modifier, add a modifier called displays. Okay, once you add a modifier called displays, you will have to click on new, then scroll down, come over here, scroll down, and here you will have to click on this image option, select this JPEG image. Once that is done, again come back to your properties and change the strength to -0.030, so something like this. Then add another modifier called subdivision surface. Then move this subdivision surface above at the top, then change the levels to 2. Once that is done, just add a smooth modifier as well. Scroll down, so here is our smooth modifier, and for the smooth modifier change the repeat to 4. Then right click, shade smooth, then move it up a little. So I'll just select this, I'll move it up a little, and then we just have to do shift D to duplicate. I'll press it, and then I'll move the duplicate somewhere over here, because we will have this cream in between these two biscuits. Once that is done, just add mesh, cylinder, go to edit mode, and here you will have to scale it first on the Z axis so that it's in between the two biscuits. So just move it like this, and I'll just click on this move icon, move option, sorry, and move it like this. Yeah, something like this looks okay to me. Then I'll press S, shift Z, so that it scales on the X and Y axis only. I'll move it inside like this. Yeah, this looks okay to me. Okay, then I will just hide this two biscuits or circles, whatever you call it. Then just go to this edge mode, select the top edge, press Command B and bevel it a little bit. Press the bottom edge as well, Command B, and here you can bevel this as well little bit. Okay, so both of these are beveled. Then you can just bring this back on, so I'll just enable this. Once that is done, again you just have to go to your modifiers, make sure yes only your cylinder is selected, and add modifier, and here you can just add a subdivision surface. Okay, again I'll go back to object mode and right click, shade smooth, again only your cylinder. Then we'll have to select everything, I mean this two circles and this cylinder. Okay, then press R, X 90, something like this. Then just go to your shading tab, and here you can select the first circle only. Let's just wait for it to catch up. Okay, so here I will just select the first circle, I'll click on new, I'll give it some color, change it to whatever you feel like looks okay, and I'll just name it as circle. Press enter. Then I'll select the second circle, and I can just click on this option, select circle. It will automatically assign the same color for me. Then I'll select the cylinder, I'll click on new, and white color is fine for me, you can change if you want. I'll just make it extremely white. Then to render it, we need to pack resources, because we have included one image as well. So you will have to go to file, external data, click on pack resources, then go to file, export, gltf. Now we need to apply those modifiers as well, so I'll just go to save it on my downloads folder, just go to data. Here you will have to go to mesh, and here you will have to click on apply modifiers and click on export gltf 2.0. Okay, so it has been exported. Now I will go to this particular website, gltf viewer. I'll just go to my downloads folder, and here I will just drag and drop this gltf file, and here you can see I'm able to see my Oreo. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.